Let us see how you can manage all your subscriptions here. See Help section for usage instructions whenever needed. Here you can see two views, next month's payments and upcoming payments. They both give the name of subscription service and date of renewal. Let us see how to make an entry of a subscription. In all subscriptions, you need name, status, last payment date, per month amount, number of months you have subscribed for, and any remarks if needed. Total amount will be calculated automatically. You can also see at the bottom count of services, monthly total amount, and total amount of all subscriptions so far. Update status, last payment date, and other details as required. Filter subscriptions by status or date to get a glimpse of services usage. Subscriptions by status contains all services by status subscribed and unsubscribed for better understanding. You can readily see total services, monthly amount, and total amount. Get this subscription manager along with other free and premium Notion templates by the link in the description. Thank you.